It's pretty clear by now that videos are the most powerful and efficient marketing tool. But how do you get people to pay attention to your business through video? You need a real professional to find the right balance for your video to explain your business concisely and engagingly. My dedicated team will design and create your custom animation video from start to finish with all that you need included in one package. And I will personally ensure that everything is in the right place so you can reach your audience and achieve your goals. Plus, we have a special bonus that will enhance your video, an intro animation of your logo. Everyone will immediately love it and share it with others. They will clearly understand the benefits of what you have to offer because our professional script truly makes a difference. We use precise writing techniques in order to convey your message through a lively animation video. So what are you waiting for? Now is your time to stand out. Send us a message and let's go viral together.